Tara's main aspect, the 21 Taras, the main one of which one is represented by green Tara. Her right leg is slightly extended, representing Tare, which means swift. She wants to jump out of her seat to bless us. She is also fearless. She is not scared to jump out of her throne to come to our aid. Tutare, to dispel our fears, signified by her left hand, which you can also see here with white Tara. Left hand means the mudra of protection. Om Tare Tutare Ture Swaha. Ture is represented by the right hand on her knee, Dhan Mudra, the mudra of fulfilling our wishes spontaneously, rapidly.